ensemble. This machine, it feels like one of Raven Corporation's own inventions. The craftsmanship is quite extraordinary. That oaf, Gus, has truly outdone himself. You have some bright minds in that foolish rebellion of yours. We could have carried this city into a new golden age, you know. And yet, you decided to turn your back on me. On the city, on everyone. No, stop looking at me like that. I know what you want. You want to end me, don't you? You deluded little fool. Infinite fresh air, blue skies reaching as far as you can see, birds singing, playing, flying free. It's a dream. It's all gone. Impossible. Dead. Why can't you just face that fact and be obedient? I can't let you leave, sadly. You've done a great job with the rebellion, but playtime is over. Now, let's end this. Nothing will save you, you ignorant child. Stop jumping around! Accept your fate. Accept your fate!
Warning. Shield power level at 75%.
Stop it! Nothing will save you, you ignorant child! Stop jumping around! Accept your fate! Accept your fate! Nothing will save you, you ignorant child! Stand still!
Warning. Shield power level at 25%.
Stop jumping around! Accept your fate! Stand still! Nothing will save you, you ignorant child! Stop it!
Critical error. Shield power level at 0%. Blast door is now exposed.
Accept your fate! Stop it! Stand still! Nothing will save you, you ignorant child! jumping around. Accept your fate. Oh, God. Valerie, I'm getting crushed. It's no use. I'm done for. You got your wish after all, little traverser. My life, your life, all of this has been a lie. Listen to me. Really listen. People call me mad. I know what you all think of me. But everything I've done has been to protect our people from the truth. The hard truth, the painful truth is that everyone must stay here, inside Brimstone, to keep the city safe. Believe me when I say that nothing good will come of leaving. Don't go to the surface, Valerie. You'll only find misery. And open the door for death itself.
Valerie, we heard everything through the mech suit's communicator. There's no time to waste. The entire building is collapsing. You have got to get out of there fast. Your only chance is the surface elevator. Make a run for it. The others are rescuing your father. We'll stay on the radio for as long as we can. Go! Go!
Gus and his friends have freed me. We're safe at last. I'm so sorry you had to go through this alone, but we're past the worst of it. It's going to be okay. You're going to be all right. Just remember, I'm here with you. Valerie, what's up there, Valerie? Why are you so quiet? Please, tell us, what do you see?
The truth.